Let's have a quick look at the US dollar, the Australian dollar, and I'm also going to have a look at Deutsche Bank as well too in this video. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty then guys, let's have a quick look at US dollar, Australian dollar. Let's just get straight to the longer term charts. Let's look at the weekly charts. Let's start with the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar, guys, we can see how it's still stair-stepping up, and you can see overall major stair-stepping up movement in the Australian dollar. Let's go to the monthly chart here for a minute. And you can see, the one thing I'm worried about the Australian dollar, guys, you can see overall major downward trend through here. So, it's not looking, this long-term trend here, guys, as you can see, and especially through there. You can see this major downward trend line, and it's now getting through there. So, guys, I would not be right now, guys. It does look like long term that this chart has a lot of downside to come unless we start to break up and above this channel here. We really need the Australian dollar. If we want the Australian dollar to get stronger, we need this market to really break up and above which it is right now. You can see it's actually hitting it. If we break above this here and we get above 80, then a new trend has actually started. If we don't and we start to sell off, then we will actually probably go lower than the actual low through here. So really interesting. Back with the US dollar here. The US dollar, actually, you can see by looking at this trend line through here, guys, you can actually see what actually happened. It ran up and it basically hit that area of resistance and support where we are right now. So double area, especially this trend line, we're still in this triangle pattern. Really interesting to see what is actually going on and what is actually happening through there. So do we actually reject off this level and come back down? Really interesting to see what actually is going on through there. Let's go have a look at the actual daily chart on the US dollar. In US dollar, you can see that we have had a rally up and we had a gap up, but you can see what actually happened on basically Friday. The market ran up, came back down, and sort of closed at its lows, but with a decent volume. So I would actually expect to see the US dollar actually come off a little bit, and maybe it's going to come off a lot. But right now, guys, you can see the weekly chart has had a long-term resistance. We had a long-term sort of reversal pattern here. So I'm expecting to see the market come off through here. So I'm not trading the US dollar, guys. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing through here. Yeah, if you're trading it, just be smart about what you're doing through there. Looking at Deutsche Bank as well too, guys. Deutsche Bank, I just want to give you a quick little update on Deutsche Bank through here. Let's go. Deutsche Bank right now, guys, has come up through there. You can see what's happened with the stochastics. So I think Deutsche Bank is getting ready to have its final leg down into collapse. So you can see what's happening here. We're still rallying back up to here. Still hitting this area resistance, hitting the area resistance, and you can see again what's happening on the daily chart as well too. So daily chart running down, coming back up, rallying down, coming back up. You can see overall stepping down movement, and once again, guys, you can see where the stochastics are. And every time we've gotten up to these points through here, that point through there, that point through there, that point through there, it has led to a roll over. Bam, 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 bam. Little roll over there, not much did it. So that was the only one, and now we're here again. Do we actually get this? I actually think so. So lots of things happening through there with Deutsche Bank. There's an update with Aussie and US dollar, guys. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.